Hey, want to know how to change icons on your Samsung Galaxy A25? As a first step, we would need to go to our home screen and then hold our finger on any empty place until you'll get to this menu. As a next step, click on this button which is saying Themes and we will get to the Galaxy Themes store. Here, we can find some themes, wallpapers and also icons that we are looking for. To find them, we would need to click on this Icons button. And here we would be able to see a list with all available icons at the moment. Most of them you will need to buy, but if we will scroll to the end of this page, here we can find a tab with free icons. So let's choose any icons here and then click download. And after it has been downloaded, click apply. And now we would need to wait a little while. And this is it. You can see that the icons on my phone has changed and they're really cute. That's it. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.